All right, let's get right into it. Today we are breaking down a warm-up that is so much more than just a warm-up. This thing is a full-on reset for your mind and your body. Seriously, it's pretty special. Let's see how it works.
So here's the million-dollar question, right? What's the secret sauce? How do you actually get your head in the game before you even start moving? Well, this warm-up has the answer, and you're going to see it's surprisingly simple.
Everything, and I mean everything, starts right here. It's all about building a foundation of rhythm. It's like the heartbeat for the entire workout.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
See? It looks like we're just counting, but it's so much more than that. That simple beat, it grounds you. It gets your brain to stop buzzing and syncs up your body for what's about to happen. It pulls you right into the present moment.
Okay, so once you have that rhythm locked in, you add the next layer. This is where you really start working on your mindset. This is where the magic happens.
And boom, there it is. This isn't just a nice little phrase. This is a direct command. You are literally telling your brain, hey, for the next little while, let go of all that other stuff.
Think about what that does. You're giving yourself permission to forget about yesterday and stop worrying about tomorrow. You put your problems on a shelf, and you focus on connecting with the people right there with you. It's like wiping the slate clean so you can be 100% focused.
All right, so you've got the rhythm down, your mind is clear. What's next? Well, now you light the fuse. You bring the energy, and it all comes down to one powerful word: heat. And listen, when we say heat here, we are not talking about the temperature in the room. Heat is your energy. It's your effort. It's that awesome shared vibe you get when everyone is just on fire and giving it their all.
And here's the real key. You're told to show each other heat. All of a sudden, your personal effort becomes part of something bigger. You're not just working hard for you. You're helping fuel everyone else's fire. Man, that is a total game changer for your motivation.
So when you combine that rhythm, that mindset, and that heat, you're not just warming up anymore. You are actively building real, tangible strength, inside and out.
Look, you're putting in the work with these exercises, which is just awesome. Every single time you show up, you're building that energy, that focus. You're proving to yourself you have what it takes.
So as you're doing all this great work, we got to make sure your body has the right building blocks to actually hold on to that new strength. You can check out the advanced amino formula. It's honestly what helps reverse that muscle loss. The link is easy to find. It's right down there in the description.
Okay, let's wrap this all up. What's the big takeaway here? How do these simple little pieces create something so powerful?
It's this perfect three-part stack. You start with rhythm to get grounded. Then you add a mantra to clear your head. And finally, you ignite everything with that Q word. Each step just builds on the one before it. It's brilliant. And that, my friends, is the secret sauce we were talking about at the start. It's not one thing, it's how they all work together. This turns a simple warm-up into a full mind-body reset. It gets you ready to perform at your absolute best. So I'll leave you with this. Now you know how to build that rhythm and bring that heat. The only question left is, what are you going to do with all that amazing energy today? Go get after it.